Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Did it really happen? Was it should be done by writing down his name? Did it directly in ink and paper? Write it as a gun, I only have the aim. In the hour, unimagined power to divide who I stay. Hardest Wayne, the coldest winds, waiting for the hurricane. Human stain and all your sins blow away. Earth will shake and earth will scream once they feel the power of the hurricane. Follow your chance to take it. Justice, there's a way to run to what's the name it been. Grind you really what you got it. Running is a gun, I only gotta aim. Get to lose and violence and it kills and watching execution all the way. Rain, ain't nothing in the mighty hurricane. Human state, all their sins blow away. Rain away, ain't afraid. I can be the power of the hurricane. Yes, and they got a brand new war, much better than the last. It's hard to find it in this in the past. You're this wind, those coldest winds, waiting for the hurricane. You mistakes and all the sin blow away. Yes, sir.